subscribed to my channel, so you guys should have just saw the complete unboxing of this unit right here, as well as some quick, fun, easy styles to do with this Kinky Straight unit that I'm rocking. And so let me just give you guys the deets again, just so you guys have a refresher.
Yeah.
So this unit and this video is courtesy of Niawigs. They were kind enough to send your girl this unit right here. And so this unit is their Kinky Straight human hair lace front wig with a natural hairline. So I have it in 18 inches, and right now it says it retails for $179. So jumping straight into my thoughts about this unit upon receiving it, the first thing that I noticed upon receiving this unit was the packaging was phenomenal. So I will say that it's very rare for a company to put as much time and effort into their packaging as they do their products. So being that these are units, human hair units, some companies will send them to you in like just kind of clear bags. Sometimes the clear bags might have their name on it. Some have, you know, like silky bags that come with it. But this packaging was phenomenal from beginning to end. So let me just show you guys the packaging again. So this is the box that the unit came in. So that's what you will see when you first get it. It says Niawigs, and then on the back it says, "We live only to discover beauty. All else is a form of waiting." So that's what it says on the back. So turn it back to the front. You can slide this box out, and then it says Niawigs again. And then on the back this time it says "Discover Beauty." So you know I'm loving, I see beauty all up and through this this packaging, so I absolutely love it. And then you slide it this way like this, and your wig is awaiting you. And the wig actually came in this silk bag, I believe, that also has their Niawigs logo. So that is their logo. And then it did come with a wig cap, and it came with their customized adjustable wig band. And then that's everything that you see in the packaging. So do you guys see that? This packaging was phenomenal. Between the gold, the black, just everything that they have. Like, they didn't even need to have all of these, you know, slides and stuff like that. But the packaging definitely makes you feel like you're receiving a quality product from beginning to end. So it's not just like, okay, the packaging is okay, but the hair is bomb. Like, from beginning to end, like, the hair is bomb, the packaging is bomb, like, everything is just bomb, okay? So yeah, I definitely want to spend some time talking to you guys about their packaging, because I definitely believe that that is a pro of mine with this company. As well as when I pulled out this unit, I noticed that they already bleached the knots. I noticed that the unit was already pre-plucked. I also noticed that it also came with baby hairs, and they were natural baby hairs. So I already was in love. Like, a unit where I basically don't have to do much at all. Like, if the lace was my skin complexion, then I wouldn't have had to do anything. But as you guys do see, I do add my foundation powder just so that the lace can blend in with my skin tone. But yeah, other than that, your girl did not have to do anything. I love the fact that I did not have to bleach these knots, that it just was done for me. With this unit, I actually wanted you guys to get the whole kinky straight feel and actually enjoy the hair being kinky straight. And so I decided to kind of just give you guys some really quick and easy styles just to do with the kinky straight unit. The styles are probably not even perfect at all. One, because I was probably rushing to go out. I've had a very long day, let me just tell you guys that. So yeah, the styles are not perfect by any means, but I just wanted to give you guys just a few quick ideas. And actually, this is part 2 of me filming for today. And I don't know, I just kind of came home, and you guys can't see, but I have this jacket on, this cute little jacket. And I don't know, it just kind of dawned on me. I was like, Mickey Mouse. Like, I knew I had these mini ears or whatever from Disneyland. And so I was like, let me just go ahead and put 2 little puff balls up at the top. So that's what I show you guys at first. And you see I just put a little gold accessory. And then I was like, why don't I just complete the look with these ears? It matches my jacket. It's a cute little thing, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully it gives you guys just a little flair, something nice to look at, in addition to this gorgeous hair that you see on my head. So yeah, I'm about to end this video. That was pretty much everything that I can think about saying about this hair. It's absolutely gorgeous. I give this hair an A+. I definitely give this company, this packaging, this brand an A+, because yeah, they did that, okay? And so yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this hair. I'm not gonna show you the process. I probably will just pop in at the end so that you guys can just get a quick view of what it looks like straight. So you guys let me know what you guys think about this hair, about this video, this look all in general. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.